is a vlog. We are joined by Tyson the Bison. Always coming in clutch, let me tell you. He towed the Cobra to the track. That was an experience. And then now we're coming in clutch because now, the last time we were at the track, the Cobra's clutch was actually kind of f***ing up on me. And so, you know, I was like, F that. I was like, I'm buying the transmission. So a few weeks later, I ended up buying the transmission. And so everything's installed now. And to give it a little background, if you guys didn't watch the previous video, I actually took the Cobra to an import, more of a Japanese style shop that works on mainly, you know, JDM cars. And so they work on slight domestic cars, but let me tell you, they already, I mean, we haven't gotten there yet, so we don't know. But from based on some of the other people's experiences, they said that they had great experiences with the company, and I've currently enjoyed every part of it. Ben, who's really helped me out there, has updated me throughout the whole process, and so hopefully when we get there, the trans is all good, and I'm hoping that it works good and that we'll be able to start banging gears soon. Yeah. Start gapping some cars now. But the braking period is gonna be like 500 miles. I'll change the fluid out on the trans, and then at 1,000 we'll be ready to officially like beat on the car and stuff, because I can't afford to break another $1,000 clutch or whatever. Yeah, so I'm not trying to risk that. I'm gonna take it easy. So if anyone's trying to line it up while I'm breaking in the car, it's not gonna happen. Your race is gonna have to wait, because if I even catch you on the highway or like in the city, it's not happening, because you know, sometimes you know, we'll see you guys at the shop, and the Cobra should be there. All right guys, we're about to pull up at the shop. I just told Tyson, like, I'm nervous, but I'm excited at the same time. We'll keep going. Like, they have a big ass Napa like warehouse right here. I never knew that really when I was over here. We're pulling up. I'm gonna bring the big camera in, might as well. But yeah, we're gonna pull up on the Cobra, and I'm nervous, but I mean, I'm sure it'll be cool. I have the new trans, or the old trans should be chilling there. It's,
you drive the car all the time, you know what it's supposed to feel like. I drove the car twice.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
Yeah. Well, before and after.
You couldn't even put it in reverse. Shut your ass. It's not my fault the shifter went sideways.
Oh shoot, I'm nervous. So it felt okay.
Yeah, it feels,
okay.
It feels good.
So
but
maybe,
like I said, you're the one that knows your car better than you.
Oof.
But we feel like it feels awesome.
Okay.
But
let's see.
Just take it easy on it, don't.
All right.
Like you said, we still gotta break in the clutch.
Okay. It does feel a little bit different. It's smooth though. It is smooth.
It's smooth, but it's stiff.
Yeah, yeah. Oh my God, that's crazy. It feels good.
Yeah,
it's very.
Take it for a
oh
drive.
my God. All right.
I'll look the penny up for you.
Okay. Oh God, guys. I'm excited. What the hell? Oh my God. Dude, it feels weird. It feels great, dude. This transmission feels amazing. Look at. Oh my God, that is butter. Woo! Okay, let's take it for a ride. I'm trying to set you guys up, but let's see. Okay. Oh my God. Dude, this transmission feels so different. Oh my God, the clutch feels good though. It's smooth. It is a smooth feeling clutch for sure. What the hell? Whoa, that feels crazy. Oh my. Oh my God. Should we do the 1-2 shift? Oh, that is gonna get some getting used to, but damn, that shifted nice. Oh my God. It feels so much different. Holy, this car, oh my God, it grabs nice though. It's not bad. Let's go right. It does grab smooth, and the transmission, oh, dude, the transmission actually feels great. We'll do a little shift to third gear. That is so nice, dude. Oh my God. Dude, that shift is just too nice. Transmission feels great. Dude, I should have done this way sooner. Hold up, I'm gonna have to. So we just took a drive in the SVT. It feels completely different. I'm gonna Tyson drive it and then he'll know because he's driven it once. So this will be his second time and he'll know the difference. The clutch, it feels like it's hard but it's smooth.
Oh, that's butter.
It's smooth though, but feel the trans, dude. Dude, doesn't it feel good?
Oh my god.
Dude, doesn't that feel good?
That is great.
Yeah?
So much better.
Oh, hell yeah. You're like, what? That's easy. You know? I missed third gear. Oh, dude. The Cobra legit, it's like butter. The trans feels amazing. You guys think I'm like overreacting, but you guys don't even know like how long I've wanted this for. Now I'm breaking it in. I'm really gonna take it easy on this car. Okay, here we go. So everything's, oh, it grabs kind of low. It does grab low. Let's do the 1-2 shift. Oh my god, even the clutch feels smooth. Like, it feels good. So the adjustment should be right this time. The pivot was corrected. Dude, that is crazy. And they unplugged the battery, so it's idling a little weird right now. Still has to get adjusted, but holy moly. I've only gotten like the third gear, so I guess we'll see. But man, does it feel good. Dude, I remember the time when I got the trans, or when I felt one. When I felt my buddy bye_ls on Instagram. Shout out another fellow Asian with the Cobra. And I can't explain it. It just drives. The trans is so smooth. Like, it just goes into gear. So that's the break-in period for it. I'm gonna try and shoot for about 100. I'm gonna try and shoot for about 1,000 miles. So we'll see. It's not like the 5.0s, but dude, it grabs nice. I legit, you guys can tell by the expression on my face, like how happy I am and how long I've wanted this trans, and it just feels crazy good. You don't have to put any effort. It's like clink, clink, clink. Dude, oh my god, it just feels great. Pretty much what happened was, back when the clutch was done, about 3 months ago, the RST had failed on me. One of the rivets fell off. So when I was at Fabulous Fords, I went to McLeod Clutches because they're located there, and so they ended up warranting the RST, and I actually asked to be upgraded to an RXT, and so that is what is being ran in the Cobra. So any time in the future, hopefully this clutch lasts this time, we'll be ready to go fast, and so we won't have a problem adding any more power to that. So pretty much what we came down to, that the trans wasn't really the issue, more than the actually the clutch itself was the issue. It feels nice. Clutch? Like the clutch and the trans feels good.
What happened?
He's selling his bike or something.
What bike?
Bruh.
Nuts.
Crazy.
It's like so precise and crisp.
What the?
I know, right?
It's not even notchy.
No, it's smooth. It's like.
Bro, that shit feels good.
Does it feel good? What's in it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Here.
Do you want me to help him, or you got it?
Don't touch anything, okay?
Starts car.
Grenades.
You like it? Use this as a thumbnail.
How's it feel? How's it feel?
Okay.
Yeah? Feels
Okay,
good?
it'd be better if it was a Chevy, huh?
No comment.
Okay,
He knows. It feels good?
Yeah.
Thumbs up?
You wanna go somewhere?
Hey, first sale? First sale?
Oh, that's what that noise was.
What?
Remember when I texted you? I was like, I couldn't tell that you were hitting the brakes.
Oh.
That red light, I thought you were
road,
gonna gas
There's
it.
a dead baby bird in the road. I
Where?
swear to God.
You can't record anymore. You have
Tyson,
Parkinson's.
shut up.
Are you recording?
Yes.
What?
So how do you like the new trans?
Sounds like a motherfucker.
No, it's a clinky. Like it clinks.
Why is it so loud back here? What the f? Alex, so tell us, how do you like the new trans?
I love it.
Yeah?
Wow. This thing's gonna be able to make yours noise.
Right here, give it the hit, give it the hit. No, I'm
Should
just
have been a
waiting.
nice ass place to do it full. We're at 9 miles and 500 more to go. No, actually, I'm gonna do 1,000, so we have like 990 to go. That's a fat rip.
Why are you doing 1,000? Do 800.
Yeah, I'll do like 800. You hear it clunk?
Who's Mike Hawk in the comments? That guy's f***ing savage. Shout out to Mike Hawk.
He's defending you pretty nicely, wasn't he?
Yeah, he's defending me pretty good.
Mike Hawk. Time to wash both the cars. It's 9, almost 10 o'clock right now. But in my opinion, I think it's the best time because it's too hot during the day. So I like to wash them at night, get a nice light going. And yeah, let's clean up the cars. Look how dusty it is.